All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Today we're going to be talking about Crypto.com, CRO Crypto. What's going on with this? The price is down right this second. Could be a good discount buy. We're going to go over some news and updates. Go to their Twitter account. But Crypto.com is spending millions of dollars on the Super Bowl commercials coming up in about 2 to 3 weeks. 3 weeks, I think it is. So now all of a sudden, everybody's going to hear about Crypto.com in like 3 weeks from now. So this could be a good time if this is one of your projects to think about Crypto.com. Also, all right, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help every single person learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and one day even own some cryptocurrency. All right, everybody, let's head over to Crypto.com. All right, over here at CoinMarketCap, Crypto.com is the 17th cryptocurrency. It's down about 7.5%. I mean, look at this. It's a lot. I mean, here's some 22% and 22% down. Everything has been so far down the last few days that I'm so happy that some of these tokens are not the 22% down. Tokens only about 7.5% down. Actually bounced back or retracted about 3% in the last 24 hours. Clicking it. Right here, this token's at 40 cents. We'll do a price prediction a little bit later. Last 24 hours, it's up 1.77%. Kind of looking in the last 24 hours here, it seems that the coin is bouncing back, which is fantastic. It's bouncing back. Looking at the last 7 days, yeah, last 7 days it really came down. 7 days ago, it was at 48 cents. 47 cents, even right here, 42 cents, and it kind of came back down there. Looking at the holders, seeing where this was at 90 days ago. Are there more holders than there was 90 days ago? 90 days ago, there was 115,000 people holding the CRO. Right now, there's 205, almost double. What do you think is going to happen when the Super Bowl commercials come and everybody sees those Crypto.com commercials? All right here, Crypto.com, FTX reportedly spent millions for Super Bowl ads. So the Super Bowl this year, literally, it says 2 crypto platforms have recently spent millions for ad slots in 2022. Now think about that. If they're spending millions on ad slots to get more customers, to get more people into Crypto.com, what do you think the price is going to do? I don't know. As the crypto interest skyrockets among investors, Medium reports confirmed competition in the space. While Crypto.com has purchased a Super Bowl ad from NBC, FTX has done the same for the February 13th broadcast. So again, FTX and Crypto.com are both going to be on the Super Bowl commercials. The media figures that believe, and actually this is higher than I heard. I thought it was $5.5 million for an ad, but it says crypto has spent $6 million for a 30-second slot. I swear I heard it was 5.5, so it actually may be a better slot since it's more money, and $1 million up from the CBS reported change from last year. Okay, so maybe last year was 5.5 and then they actually raised it. Last month, Crypto.com has reportedly paid $700 million. So, 6.5 million is only like, really small 10% or there, 1% I should say. $700 million for a 20-year deal with the LA Staples Center. So, you all heard that $700 million was spent. This is a future cryptocurrency that literally may be around for a real long time because, again, it's going to be called Crypto.com for 20 years. Guns a-blazing. With that, FTX is not behind. They invested $20 million in the spot in the 2022 Super Bowl. And they also bought the Miami Heat's name, $135 million for the Miami Heat's stadium. So, again, right here, Crypto.com, Super Bowl. I think the Super Bowl is the most watched television event of the year. Everybody wants to know what the Super Bowl commercials are. They always want to see what the best ones are. Crypto.com are going to try to put on the best ever commercial ever. Well, all I know is this year for the Super Bowl, you're going to be seeing Crypto.com commercials. Will that affect the price? You got to decide that. All my information is for educational purposes only, but I do like to bring things out to you and let you form your own decisions because, again, if that's the only 2 cryptocurrencies that you're going to be getting blasted on the Super Bowl, FTX and Crypto.com, do you think more people will go to the app and sign up for it when they're watching it on the Super Bowl 3 or 4 times? I don't know. You have to decide. All right, over here at the Twitter account, Crypto.com. Again, here's the arena from the top. You can see Crypto.com is no longer the Staples Center. Pretty awesome there. This commercial I'll play at the end. But take a look at this for 76 fans. It says that the 7th 76 Legendary NFT Collection, the tribute of Hall of Famer of Julius Irwin. three original collectibles, a 50 pack, which is about $300 each. Redeem the exclusive team merch and experience. So, don't miss out. Right here, the 76ers, there's an NFT collection. Pretty freaking cool, right on the collection. Crypto.com, 76 Legacy 07, our show, Philadelphia 76ers for the 2021-22. We're celebrating the NBA's 75th anniversary by looking back on the team's beloved home from 1967 to 1996. Pretty awesome, everybody. Also, I've been talking about taxes. Look at how nice Crypto.com is. Check out our guide on tax rules in the U.S. And then right here it says tax rules in Canada. So if you're worried about the taxes or you want to know more about the taxes, you can go to rightToCrypto.com's website and check everything out. All right, so we know that there's going to be ads for the Super Bowl. We don't know what the ads are. This is an ad we see all the time. I saw this during the playoffs. I saw it through the whole 17-week season. Let's go ahead and play this Crypto.com advertisement.
History is filled with almosts. With those who almost adventured, who almost achieved, but ultimately, for them it proved to be too much. Then there are others, the ones who embrace the moment and commit. And in these moments of truth, these men and women, these mere mortals, just like you and me, as they peer over the edge, they calm their minds and steel their nerves with 4 simple words that have been whispered by the intrepid since the time of the Romans. Fortune favors the brave.
All right, so we've been seeing that for months and months and months on the football Sundays and Monday Night Football. We know there's going to be ads. We just read it. They spent $6.5 million on an ad. I don't know how many of those ads they bought, but Crypto.com is here to stay. All right, back over here at CoinMarketCap. Crypto.com's at 40 cents. Now, what's our price prediction? It's down 7.8 cents. I think this coin's going to get back to 45 to 47 cents in the next, month or so. Again, all our information is for educational purposes only. It could really jump off the coins here. Let's look at this real quick. If we go back to the last 3 months and we just go right here, the coin was 69 cents, the coin was 56 cents, the coin was 55 cents. We have a peak here of 96 cents. So 96 cents, so even to say 70 cents, when more and more people see this Crypto.com on Super Bowl commercials, what kind of impact is that going to have? I mean, I can't measure it, but I think the coin's going to go up. You're going to have to decide on that, but again, all our information is for educational purposes only. Also, you should try to get your Crypto.com credit card. Right here, the only card you will need. Now, enjoy up to 8% back on all spending with your sleek, pure metal card, no annual fees, top off, fiat, or cryptocurrency. Choose your card. You click it. The only crypto card you will need, no annual fees, Visa debit. Top up with fiat or cryptocurrency. Get up to 8% back on spending. The only crypto card you'll need. So I just wanted to share that, everybody. All kinds of good stuff going on. Back over here, CoinMarketCap. To kind of go here at the top 10. Bitcoin is down 11% still at 37,000. At least it went back up from 34 to 37. Ethereum's down 19%. BNB's down 19%. Cardano in the last 7 days down 18%. XRP down 15%. Solana's down 30%. If you think Solana's a great project for years and years to come, you may want to look at that. Ding, 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 ding. Discount buy. Luna's down 24%. And Dogecoin rounds off the top 10. Down 9% there. All right, everybody, Crypto.com, CRO, definitely a good cryptocurrency. It's going to be around for 20 years with that name. People got Visa cards. Think about that for a second. How many different cryptocurrencies do they have Visa cards connected to? I mean, Crypto.com's got its own Visa card. I don't know if that matters or not, just trying to have you think outside the box. All right, don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. Monday through Friday, we're bringing you a video every day at noon. Bonus videos around 5 or 8 o'clock. The weekends, we're bringing you something around 3 or 4. Hey, everybody, Frank from Frank's Crypto Corner. You have a freaking awesome day today.